Hey there, my friend, Coach 𝐒𝐻𝐻 here. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to automate your network marketing, affiliate marketing, any business that you have with pre-recorded Facebook videos, okay? So that you can show up live, right? And be able to show up on both Facebook actually and YouTube, okay? So here's the thing, you probably heard it before a million times. You know, you should be going live in your business, right? So you can get visibility on what you're promoting, and you could get engagement, leads, and sales, right? So you've heard it before. You know you should be going live. The problem is this, okay? The problem is that before you can even go live, there's like, first you got to get over your fear of people staring at you, right? Right? And this solves that problem because it allows you to leverage pre-recorded videos. The second problem is it's like 15, 11 steps that you have to go through before you could even go live. You got to, drop everything that you're doing. That might be inconvenient, right? You might not be in a place where the sound is good or whatever, the lighting is good, things like that. You got to drop everything you're doing. Maybe your background isn't right? Things like that. Maybe your hair is jacked up and it's making you self-conscious about that at the time. And all of these things makes it hard to be consistent with showing up on social media so that you can be seen and heard and present your offers and therefore get leads and sales in your business, okay? So I've been using this tool in my business and it's called Live Pigeon, okay? What it allows me to do is record videos. So what I like to do is on the weekend, sit down and think about what kind of videos I want to make. I'll just take a couple seconds and record those videos, and then what I can do is use Live Pigeon, and what it will do is not only schedule but then release these videos to my social media, my YouTube and my Facebook for me. Okay, so that's pretty cool to be able to leverage something. And the great thing is that these videos are going to show up on my channel as a live video. Okay, so why does that help me in my business? One, is going to ensure that my engagement is good on my video, meaning that more people are going to see it. Facebook is going to give priority, and also YouTube is going to give priority to live videos, meaning more people are going to see my content. It means that I can leverage my time. I don't literally have to sit there and be live. Like, I can leverage the time that I have on the weekends, and I can schedule it and go on about my life. And I know that through the week, I have videos that are popping up on my social media that are exposing people to my offers and ways to connect and partner with me. That's pretty cool. So this tool actually allows you to leverage your time and also show up live, right? And automate some of that process. Okay, so for those of you, especially if you work a job and you're busy, maybe the only free time you have is the weekend to be able to really get your business together. So it's a great way to sit down, record some video, some lives for the week, and schedule them that they upload throughout the week, so that when you're busy or you're tired or things like that, you have something that's going to work for you. So I want to kind of walk you through how you're going to see me schedule live my videos for Facebook. Okay, so when you come into a Live Pigeon dashboard, it's going to ask you where you want your videos to be uploaded. Do you want to upload them to Facebook, YouTube, or both? Okay, whichever one you sign in with, you can sign in with both. For today's purposes, I'm just scheduling my Facebook Live videos. Okay, so what I'm going to do is sign in to Facebook. Okay. Okay, so now it's signing me in. Okay, so now I'm gonna get the option to either go live now with the pre-recorded video, so I can literally like go live, like upload a pre-recorded video and it will pop up as a live right now. Or in my case, when I want to automate my business, here's what I do. I click on schedule. Okay, so again, today I took the time to record some videos for my business. I'm gonna go ahead and hit schedule. Okay. Okay. So now, what you can do is you're going to pick what day you want to go live. So I know that I want to go live on Monday. I like to go live between 7 and 9 p.m. because that's a key time, an optimum time for social media. So I'm going to say 7 p.m. on Monday, okay? If you had an image for your live, you can choose a different thumbnail. I'm just going to leave it as my face, right? Because it's going to just pick my profile picture, okay? Now, this is really important. Right here it says, it shows an event page, okay? Where it says hide schedule notification, you don't want to do that because you want Live Pigeon to post on your profile a notification that you're going to be going live, because that means that more people are going to hop on your live. So it creates an event notification for people on your Facebook profile that you're going to go live. Okay. So that's what you want. It essentially creates almost like a Facebook event for you. Okay. So anyways, you pick your time, you pick your day. So I know Monday at 7 p.m. I want to go live. Now you're going to hit next and you're going to tell it exactly where you want to go live. Okay. So where do you want to go live? Okay. So I'm sorry, you got to put your description first. I jumped ahead of myself. So my video title, the great thing about Live Pigeon is you can add in emojis, and I seem to think that it helps as well if people pay attention. So I'm just going to pick a fire emoji. Let's see. Okay, there's a fire emoji, and I'm going to write out my title. And what's my Monday title? It is, I'll put it over here. It is, okay, why being for everybody is costing you money in your biz. Okay, now this title is just for you right here. It's just for you to identify your video once it's completed. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste it in the description as well. And then this is where, again, time freedom. If you have a place where you want them to go, you know, where after they've watched the video, maybe you want them to join your, I spell everybody wrong. Okay, so maybe you want them to join your Facebook group, or maybe you want them to go to a capture page, etc. If I were you, you know, you could go ahead and leverage putting that link right there. Okay, so I'm gonna, for now, I'm not gonna put a link in right now. I might go back and edit that and put a link in at a later time, but for now we're just gonna put in the title. Okay, so I'm gonna hit next. So the title is why being for everybody is costing you money in your biz. I'm gonna hit next. Oh Lord, child. What's going on my hair today? Okay, now this is the fun part. You're gonna pick where you want to go live. So with Live Pigeon, you can go live in Facebook groups. You can go live on your personal profile, and you can also go live on pages. Pretty awesome. It doesn't matter where you're marketing your business. You can use this tool to show up live on those in those areas. Okay, so let's hit add a destination, and in my case, I just want to go live on my profile. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit my profile. I'm gonna hit next. I can add a destination. So let's say I also wanted to go live in my Facebook group. So I wanted to simultaneously go live in on my profile, but also in my Facebook group. Okay, pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit next. Okay, now this is where I get to take those videos that I took the time to pre-record, right, during my weekend, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload them. So I'm going to choose a file. So hold on a second. Okay, so now I've selected the video that I want. This is the video I want, why being for everybody is costing you sales. I'm going to go ahead and select that. It's going to go ahead and upload that. Okay, so give it a second to upload. Almost done. It actually moves pretty fast. I love this thing. Whoa, schedule my whole life. I get excited about automation. You have no idea. All right, so it is uploading. It's almost done. All right. Yay, it's completed. It has uploaded. Okay, so now what it's gonna do, you just want to keep this page open it starts to process it. So upload it, then just processes it. Same thing that YouTube does when it uploads a video. It uploads it, then processes it. Takes a few seconds, let it process. And then once it's processed, watch, this is going to be pretty magical. Ooh, Lord, chap. Got the hiccups now. All right, so we're going to let this finish. And once it's done finish, what is going to happen is it will be scheduled. And then we're going to go over to Facebook and show you that it's scheduled, which is pretty cool. And that's it. This is how you automate your business. This is how you leverage tools so that you don't always have to be behind the computer. You don't always have to be like showing up. You know, you let your tools help you. So just like that, it showed up on my Facebook. So I just got a notification. Okay. So here it is. Why being for everybody is costing you money in your business. So let's go over to my profile page. Hold on, let me pause this for a second. Okay, so we are on my Facebook profile and it has scheduled my live. There is a notification already there. Why being for everybody is costing you money in your business. And right there, you know, people can actually click a little button there that says get a reminder so that they can tune in. So they're going to see it. Okay. Now, if I wanted to, I could go over here to Live Pigeon. And remember I said I didn't add a link just yet. I probably won't until like later. I can literally go in and I can maybe like, you know, right before it posts, I can hit the edit button and I can add in a link for people to register, okay, to whatever I'm sending them. You know, maybe I'll send them to a webinar or whatever. So that's what I can do. I can hit the edit button and edit, you know, my video or edit the details that are here. Okay, so that's it. That's how you use Live Pigeon. You leverage your weekend time. If you know whatever time you have that frees up, maybe you want to through the week do other things, right? And you're able to do that and you have videos going to work for you. Video marketing is one of the highest converting business activities that you can do in your business. It builds know, like, and trust faster. It explains better than regular posts, and it just converts. Okay, so if you're not doing video marketing, my friend, Live Pigeon. All right, if you want to learn more about Live Pigeon and you're on YouTube, make sure you check out beneath the video. If you're not on YouTube and you're somewhere else that I'm live streaming this, message me. Okay, and then check out my bonuses on my page about Live Pigeon. And that's it. Smash the subscribe button on YouTube and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, my friends.